Go. Jackie's so cool. Crazy Jackie. Like, I'm not even kidding. She's insane. I'll show this to you sometime. It's pretty funny. Jackie's pretty special. Oh, not this. I don't think that you've seen that before. Oh, God. She's like, she's still spelling your name. It's really weird. He wants you to spell Justin because he feels weird.
I can do that.
Did you hear? She's like, I can do that. Ah. I just fell over.